How to use Meta Business Suite for Facebook ads. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to run Facebook ads and grow your business online, then this is the only tutorial you need. Today, I'll walk you through on how you can use Meta Business Suite to launch, manage, and track your Facebook ads all from one simple dashboard. Whether you're a beginner or just looking out for a better workflow, this is for you. All of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. And so, what is a Meta Business Suite? Meta Business Suite is a Facebook's all-in-one platform for managing your Facebook and Instagram business account. Basically, you can do everything from scheduling your posts, managing comments and DMs, reviewing insights, and most importantly, creating and managing Facebook ads. It's free and powerful, especially if you want to run ads efficiently without jumping between multiple applications. And now let's go ahead and set up our account. The first thing that you want to do is to head over to the official website, which is going to be business.facebook.com, and log in using your Facebook account. So just click on the Start Using Now button, and from there it will then take us to the ads manager of our account right here. And so if you want to go ahead and change your account, just click on your account icon, and from here you will be able to navigate through your accounts. So in my case, I'm going to select the other account right here, and right after that you will then have to basically have an ad account. So with this one, we don't have an ad account. So you want to make sure that you visit the page to add an ad account to this business portfolio. Then assign yourself to manage that ad account. So right after making yourself as an ad manager, the page will now go ahead and look something like this. Now, let's navigate through our dashboard. In here, you have your home, which is where you can see the performance overview. You then have your content to see your scheduled post and published. You then have your planner to schedule posts or campaigns in advance. And then you have ads. You can create and manage your ad campaign. You then have your own inbox as well. It is a centralized messages from Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger. And lastly, you have insights. It's an analytics for page performance and ad results. And so we'll focus mostly on the ads tab today, or in this video. Now, how can we go ahead and create a Facebook ad? The first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and navigate through your dashboard, click on the ads section right here, or just to make everything quick, inside the home section, you will be able to see the add or create ad button. But if you're inside the ads section, you can just click on the get started button, and you will be able to simply create your ad right here. So the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and select the type of ads that you want to go ahead and make. So from here, you have automated ads. You can get personalized ads that adjust over time to help you get better results. Now, this is automatic ads. You will be able to go ahead and choose these ads without manual effort. But if you want to create an ad from scratch, you can just select the second option, which is to create an ad from scratch or choose a goal. Right after, we then have the boost content. They will create an ad for your Facebook or Instagram content. In our case, let's go ahead and focus on creating an ad from scratch. So from here, you have to choose your goal. Is it to get more visitors? Is it to get more leads? Boost a post, promote a page, or customize your own ad by navigating through the section right here. So I'll just go ahead and choose something like get more website visitors. Let's say that I'm running an e-commerce store and I want more people to simply choose my website. So from here, you will be able to go ahead and choose your audience, choose a placement, set your budget and schedule, and you can then upload your ad creatives like image, video, and write your headline and ad copy. So since we're promoting our website, you then want to enter the website URL right here. you then have the button label, which is to apply now for our page, book now, contact us, download, shop now, and more. Once again, since I'm an e-commerce store, I'll go ahead and select the shop now button. So you can just insert your website URL, and from here you then have your ad creatives. So basically this is where people will go ahead and see the ads from your website. So you want to put the best ads that you can inside this page. In my case, since this is only a tutorial, we are going to use the profile picture from my page. You then have your description, and then you have the ad creative. So you can just click on use a post, and you will be able to simply use a post that you have posted a while back, making everything easier. But I suggest that you want to go ahead and customize this every time you post an ad. From here, you then have the additional contact methods. So you can go ahead and put something like WhatsApp if you have WhatsApp on your page or website, or phone call if you want to do so. From here, you have the Advantage Plus Creative. Leverage Facebook's data to automatically deliver different ad creative variations to people. I suggest turning this on, and if you scroll down, you will be able to simply choose your audience. Now this is really important because you want to go ahead and choose someone that you are targeting. Once again, let's go ahead and say that I'm selling, or I am doing an e-commerce website ad, and most product on my e-commerce store is going to be a dresses or fancy clothing. So the people that I want to target will range from somewhere age 20 to age 30. So you can just go ahead and click on the pencil icon right here, select the ads or the age, and from there you will be able to select your gender. You have your location, detailed targeting if you want to, and from there you now have to click on the save audience button. In here you have people you choose through targeting, people who like your page, and more. So let's go ahead and select this one. If we scroll down further, we are now inside the schedule and budget. So in here you want to go ahead and start or set the date right here on where you want the ad to start. So in my case, I'm going to start at this very moment. So I'll just go ahead and set the date at this very moment, the start time, and I want to run the ad continuously until my budget runs out. So from here, you just want to set your budget. In my case, I'm going to set it around $40 right here, or $20. And right after that, after making sure that everything works perfect, you can just go ahead and enter your payment method. So what this means is that it will continuously run my ad on Facebook until the budget runs off. It doesn't matter whether it's around 5 days, 2 days, 1 day, as long as we have a budget on our ad account. After customizing your ad, once again, just go ahead and add your payment method, and now your ads will run indefinitely. And so in this video, I've shown you on how you can set up your business profile and correct or connect your assets, use the dashboard to easily launch ads, and from here you can also add or monitor your ads performance. And lastly, you want to use bonus tools like Insights, Leads Manager, and automation to streamline your work here on Business Suite. And so if this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with what topic you want next, like how to create full funnel using Facebook ads or retarget using custom audiences. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.